Hey there, engineers. Today, I'm diving into the world of microcontrollers, specifically the 8051 microcontroller. Some might say it's old school, but trust me, there's a reason it's still kicking around. Let's break down why the 8051 microcontroller is still relevant today. First things first, the 8051 has been around since 1980, courtesy of Intel. It's a true legend in the world of embedded systems. With its 8-bit architecture, it might seem ancient compared to modern 32-bit MCUs, but it has some significant staying power. One major reason: simplicity. The 8051's instruction set is straightforward and easy to learn. For engineers just getting started, this microcontroller serves as a perfect entry point. Its simplicity also translates to fewer bugs and easier debugging, something we can all appreciate, right? Another point in its favor is its mature ecosystem. Over the years, a massive amount of documentation, libraries and tools have been developed for the 8051. That means you won't be reinventing the wheel every time you start a new project. Just grab what you need and get to work. Let's talk about cost. The 8051 is incredibly cost-effective. In an industry where budget constraints are always a concern, the low cost of 8051-based systems can be a lifesaver. And because it's so widely used, you'll find a plethora of affordable development boards and modules. Now, don't let the age fool you. The 8051 is versatile. It's used in a wide range of applications, from consumer electronics to automotive systems. Its versatility comes from having various interfacing options such as UART, SPI, and I2C. This makes it adaptable to different kinds of projects. Power consumption is another big plus. The 8051 is known for its low power usage, making it ideal for battery-operated devices. In a world increasingly focused on energy efficiency, this is a significant advantage. Lastly, there's something to be said about its robustness. The 8051 has been tried and tested in countless applications over the decades. Its reliability is well proven, and that's something you can't always say about newer, less tested microcontrollers. So why is the 8051 microcontroller still relevant today? Because it's simple, cost-effective, versatile, power-efficient, and robust. Whether you're a seasoned engineer or just starting, the 8051 offers a solid foundation for any embedded system project. Thanks for tuning in, and keep pushing the boundaries of technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more engineering insights. Until next time.